Okay, we are looking at the Miami Airport East Industrial Submarket where we have 529 properties, 29 that are actively for sale, 7 that have closed in the last 3 months, 68 that are actively for lease, and 15 that have been leased out in the last 3 months. As far as lease rates, we're at $21.24 a square foot. The expectation is that those prices or those lease rates are going to continue to grow up. You can see that the market asking rent went a little above that for a while, and then it came back down as we had a little bit of sticker shock. You also see the orange line. You'll notice that over the last 4 years, we've got to from just over $12 a square foot to now over $20 a square foot. So anybody that is coming out of a long-term lease is running into some sticker shock. We are getting a lot of those phone calls, people trying to figure out how they can get those lease rates reduced even in other areas. Unfortunately, it's pretty much the same across the board in all the different areas. As far as time on the market for these properties, it's anywhere from 8 to 9 months to get properties leased up. As far as dollar per square foot on sales price, we are at $259 a square foot, and the expectation is that that's probably going to hold until the middle of the year, where it's going to continue to go up again. We have had some significant sales just in the first quarter alone, a little over 75 million in total sales. So again, if you are thinking of getting into a property, you have until about the middle of the year before prices continue to go up. As far as dollar per square foot on the property sizes or the quality areas, the newer stuff, which is the bigger, higher properties or bigger box, those are selling at a premium, as well as the smaller stuff, which is pretty typical. As far as cap rates, we are at 5.9%, and that is held still for the last year. The expectation is that that's going to remain flat until about the middle of this year. Somewhere in the third quarter, it's going to start to go down as prices continue to go up again on their steady climb. For the investors, there were some good deals, anywhere from 4 to 8% cap rates that were on some of the different sales that have taken place. And the expectation is that the newer stuff seems to be outperforming the 3 and the 4 and 5 star properties. And lastly, of the 22 properties that sold, 19 of them were actively listed. And as of course, statistically speaking, properties that don't get listed tend to sell for a lot less than what they are worth on the market. So if you are thinking of selling your property, reach out to us where we can show you what your property is worth and show you how to get the most for your money.